The first step is to simply open Roblox, and then what we're gonna have to do next is simply click on more and then simply go to settings. Now after that we're gonna have to go to privacy, and from here we're gonna have to click on communication, and here you should see the voice chat option. Now if you don't see it, we're gonna have to go to account info and make sure that we add a phone number and an email address, and make sure it says verified. Now after you do that and you don't see the voice chat option there, you're gonna have to verify your age in some cases, and then you should be good to go if you go to privacy and then go to communication, and then you should have this option available. Now, if you don't see it, that means that you have to download Roblox from the official website, because some people get it from Microsoft Store or Amazon App Store. So you're gonna have to download it directly from Roblox. And as you can see in my case, I have a Mac, so I'm gonna have to click on download Mac app, and basically that's all we have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.